Pretty mild out there the day, so the bird garden's quiet. I get my busiest times when the weather's a bit rough. I've had the woodpecker visiting this morning, so I just thought I'd put the camera on, see if we can catch him. Got some amount of blue tits, haven't I? I'll be on tonight. It's Saturday the day, Saturday afternoon. I see me, somebody complained about me Shadowboxer video, and the YouTube took it down for defamation. We're getting 25,000 views in less than 24 hours before it got took down. That'll do though, won't it? That'll fucking do. This video is just for me bird lovers. Thank you to everyone who's helped donate towards birds and feeding them, especially through the winter. I got 2 big boxes of peanuts dropped off last night by William. People, thank you, William. Yous have been a great help. All of yous that donated towards the bird feed, yous have been great. Thank you, all of yous. This is when it's quiet. So you can imagine how much stuff I've gone through. There's a cat. As soon as the cat comes in the garden, they take a shoot. Especially the woodpecker. They're very flighty. You can't move, not even me when I'm sat here. If I so much as move, it'll, if it notices, it'll take off. This is all day long, this. Only I get a lot busier. When it's raining or where it's windy, the weather's a bit rough, I get really busy. And when the weather's mild, like this, I'm at my quietest. The cat. I've got I've just noticed this week I've got a flock of long-tailed tits. They all come at once. There's about 6 or 8 of them. There they are. There they are. They all land on the birds at nuts at once. See them on the left? Look at them. They come in a flock, they do. They're long-tailed tits. There's a gang of them just turned up this week. Look at them. All on the nuts there. See the difference, the length of that tail to the normal tits? They're like a coal tit colour as well, aren't they? There's a blue tit. Lovely to watch them all come in a flock. Look, there must be a family of them. I was just talking about them there when they turned up, the whole flock of them. See them on the nuts? The left-hand side of the video. There's at least 6 of them. They'll come at once and then they are again, the cats chase. Whoa, there's a hawk or something. Some bird just flew down there and chased them. Some bird, I've never seen a bird like that, just swooped down and flew off. I've only ever seen a sparrowhawk here once before that today. I'll just see if I can turn this camera a touch and just see, get the coal tits on. Long-tailed coal tits, are they? Oh, just long-tailed tits. Because of the colour of coal tits. These people who keep aviaries, that was always my plan, just to get a big aviary. I've kept birds and that all my life. I've had pigeons as a kid, parrots, all my life. But I always planned to build a big aviary on the farm. But this is better, isn't it? Where they just go home themselves when they're finished and look after themselves. And this is good. This is as good, if not even better, than any aviary. Having an aviary. Let's just see if I can get a better view of these coal tits. You can't see all my feeders at once on you. I need to put some fat balls in. I'm still waiting for my mate coming to set up the live cam video on this bird garden. But I will have it running within the next few weeks, where you can just go on YouTube any time of the day or night, and you can watch my bird garden live. I'll definitely be set up within the next 3 weeks. Them long-tailed tits seem to all flock together, even when they're eating the nuts. They're all always together. Well, the woodpecker as yet. Right, there's 10 minutes to me birds. I'll upload this straight away.